This video is brought to you by Glazeding.com. If you guys are planning to buy the OnePlus 8, the OnePlus 8 Pro, Galaxy S20 series, or in fact any other smartphone, do check out their website because they've got some amazing tempered glasses and cases for all of the phones. Even if you talk about OnePlus 8, 8 Pro, S20 Ultra, they've got their special UV glasses, which are one of the few ones that are 100% compatible with these phones. They also have started their air hybrid and matte hybrid cases for a lot of devices. So if you want any accessory for your phone, head over to glazeding.com and don't forget to use the promo code Gizmo so that you can save 10% on your order. Hey guys, Gizmodict here, and today we're gonna do a detailed PUBG review of the OnePlus 8 Pro. Actually, OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro perform very similarly when it comes to PUBG, but I was getting a lot of requests for the OnePlus 8 Pro PUBG review. So here it is. I've done my detailed testing. We're gonna play the game at different settings and we're gonna find out how this phone handles PUBG in comparison to the OnePlus 8. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with my PUBG review of the OnePlus 8 Pro. So I have the 12GB RAM variant of the OnePlus 8 Pro, but the 8GB, 12GB RAM are gonna perform very similarly because the OnePlus 8 that I tested was an 8GB RAM variant. So we're gonna play the game at different settings. I'm gonna start with HDR plus Extreme and then we're gonna move on to Smooth plus Extreme and we'll see how different the FPS is on both of these settings. A lot of the footage that you will see has been recorded with the built-in screen recorder on the OnePlus 8 Pro, but I've also recorded some hand cam footage of mine, and in that footage I have actually connected the phone to my monitor through an HDMI cable. I'll link that in the description, and I've recorded my monitor as well as my phone. So all of these hand cam footage that you see has been recorded on the iPhone SE and iPhone 11, so you guys can let me know how the quality was. But anyways, I'm gonna start with HDR plus Extreme, and as you can see, the phone has no problem in handling the game and we see a performance that is very similar to the OnePlus 8. Here you will see that the FPS stays around 58 and 60, so you get a constant 60 FPS gameplay. It's only when you are in some very intense scenarios that you will see that the frame rate drops below 55 and it goes between 50 and 55. It never drops below 50. In the last 4 to 5 days that I've tested the phone, I've seen it gone to 48 or 49 twice, and that's about it. And I've tested the phone for more than 10 hours or so. So that is a very good thing. We see a frame rate that is very similar to OnePlus 8, and I've got no problems with HDR plus Extreme on the OnePlus 8 Pro. Check a bit of the gameplay for yourself.
बीपी बढ़ गया यार।
भाई ये क्या स्ट्रेसफुल था यार।
रिवाइव हो गया यार वो। नेड़ा है। I don't like this. हाँ बे। देखते हैं नहीं क्या। आया निमित आया। अमेजिंग। क्या हो गया भाई?
आ क्या मैं
सामने के सामने
कोई
मैं
है ना?
मर गया। गया मैं यार हमको। सामने के सामने और एक बंदा है उधर निमित संबर। हाँ उधर है वो ही घर में। तू जो स्कोप कर रहा है ना, राइट वाले दोनों में। हाँ देख
मैं तो मेरे को कॉल किधर है?
नहीं इसके विंडो में। आ गए नेट निकाला।
नेट निकाला।
नीचे और एक है, आ गया मानव आ गया, देख मुंडी। और
लास्ट बंदा। ओ क्या खेला निमित, मजा आ गया। ओहो देख के मजा आ गया।
नसीब थे उसके पास शॉटगन था।
निमित ले ले, एक ही गोली चाहिए उसको। ठीक है। एक इधर क्या है, तेरे को किला है क्या इसका?
दिनेश का तो किल नहीं है अब तक।
लोग क्या ऐसे अमेजिंग है यार।
बहुत बहुत दिस वाज वन ऑफ दोस रीट्वीट्स, बराबर है, ये याद आया मेरे को।
ए चलता हुआ गाड़ी, रुक जा।
ये गया, इसको लिया कैसे मैंने?
मैथ्यूस क्या करता है गाड़ी में से, क्या करता है ये?
पार्थ को ले लिया तू
इसको लिया कैसे?
सो रहा है।
मैं फोन बेच रहा हूँ, नहीं हो रहा है फोन से मेरा कुछ।
पहुंच गया मैं, बंदर इसके ऊपर।
ये फोन से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। बंदा से अटक जाता है फोन, क्या अभी बस नहीं खेलना है।
लेने दे
तेरे को जो करना है कर।
फाइनली।
After that, let me move on to Smooth Plus Extreme, and this is absolutely a cakewalk for the OnePlus 8 Pro. The phone has no problems in handling it. You do see constant frame rate between 55 and 60 most of the time, and I've got no complaints with the performance. In fact, if you're gonna play on competitive level, I would suggest you to go with Smooth Plus Extreme, because on these settings, your frame rate does not jump that much as it does on the HDR plus Extreme settings. And on top of that, the phone doesn't heat up that much, and the battery drain is also low. So if you're gonna play competitive, then you should go with Smooth Plus Extreme and check a bit of the gameplay for yourself.
वरुण का हेडफोन गया हुआ है यार। एक गाड़ी सामने लेफ्ट में, दूर है, वो रहा देख, दिख रहा होगा तेरे को, टावर पे गया है वो। पता नहीं भाई, देख लेंगे, चल तो से आ गया तो मार देंगे। वो रहा, ये वही बंदा है आई थिंक। गाड़ी बाप रे, 3 का स्क्वाड चढ़ गया
भाई कुछ नहीं मिला मेरे को, बहुत मतलब
उसको बहुत डैमेज हुआ है, एफर्ट नहीं।
ओहो
ऐसे कैसे?
ग्रेनेड।
ये क्या नेड था, मैं किल हो गया।
ए दुर्वेश,
दरवाजा बंद कर
एक
देना
नहीं,
चाहिए
नेड
था
का है।
ये बात।
एवेंजर।
एक नेट था, एक मार दिया, गए दोनों उधर।
एक को एक
हाँ,
गन दो ना,
दो
दो
लोग
गन।
हैं।
मेरा क्रेट लूट ले है
भाई
उसमें।
गन,
एक एम
तू
मिली
गन दे,
अरे
गन दे
मिनी
पहले।
सब है, चलो।
उसमें ही टक्का है।
एमो है।
हाँ रुक,
ऑलमोस्ट क्राउड।
हाँ ये ले मिल गया।
गया ना, संभाल के जा। नॉक हुआ है तो।
So as you can see, the OnePlus 8 Pro has no problems in handling PUBG, be it on Smooth Plus Extreme or HDR Plus Extreme. Snapdragon 865 is a really capable chip, and I have got no doubts with this phone's PUBG performance. If I talk about battery drain, it was more or less very similar to the OnePlus 8. I lost around 20% in 1 hour with gameplay recording on Smooth, and if I talk about HDR, I think the loss was around 30% in 1 hour with recording. So it's a little bit less. The battery drain is less than the OnePlus 8 by 2 or 3%, but where I saw significant difference was in terms of temperatures. The OnePlus 8 Pro, the highest temperature that I noticed was around 43 degrees, whereas on the OnePlus 8 it went to 46 degrees. So OnePlus 8 Pro does really well when it comes to temperatures, so that is one major difference that I noticed. But another thing that is in pro of the OnePlus 8 is that that phone is compact and less bulky in comparison to the OnePlus 8 Pro. So if you like compact phones, or if you have like short hands or something, you might not like gaming on the OnePlus 8 Pro. This phone is really huge and heavy, so it's not for everyone. But I personally enjoyed gaming on this phone, and the only problem that I faced was that touch issue that I faced on OnePlus 8 as well, where sometimes it will just refuse to recognize my right thumb and I have to lift it up and then put it on the screen again. But that's the problem with every AMOLED phone. I've seen it on OnePlus 70, 8, 8 Pro, iQOO 3, Realme X50 Pro, and so on. But apart from that, OnePlus 8 Pro does really well in PUBG, and I've got no problems in recommending it. If you're gonna ask me which phone should you buy between this and the iPhone XR, well, it depends. If you want to buy an overall good smartphone, I would pick the OnePlus 8 Pro. In fact, between XR and OnePlus 8 Pro, I would no doubt pick the OnePlus 8 Pro. You get much better display, you get much better battery, faster charging, you've got that high refresh rate screens, you've got more cameras here. So all in all, OnePlus 8 Pro is a better package than the iPhone XR. But if your goal is only PUBG, if you're planning to stream, if you want to play at competitive level, then nothing gives you a smoother performance than an iPhone, even if it's a 1.5-year-old iPhone XR. But yeah, basically this is how the OnePlus 8 Pro performs. I'm really happy with the PUBG performance of this phone. Especially if I talk about the touch response rate and the touch experience, it has been significantly improved from the OnePlus 7 Pro and the 70 Pro. So I've got no complaints with the PUBG performance of the OnePlus 8 Pro. If you're considering to buy this phone for PUBG, you can. It performs really well. Plus the fact that you've got an HDMI out on this phone, you can connect it to your game capture card or your monitor and stream your gameplay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, please hit the like button. If you guys didn't like it, press the dislike button twice. And if you're new here and you've watched this video so far, then what are you doing? Subscribe and press the bell icon. I'm gonna be back with a lot of videos very soon. In fact, iQOO 3's PUBG review is coming to the channel in the next 3 to 4 days. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna be back in a notification soon. Peace.